PPE.
The PPE. Okay, I have BSIP here. My name is Cora. I'm your first aider. I can help you. You already put on your PPE. Okay, And then, what's next? Response. Hello, hello. Are you okay, sir? Hello, hello. Are you okay, sir? Hello, hello. Are you okay, sir? There's no response. Okay, what's next? Check for the breathing and the pulse. Right now, no response. Okay, check for the breathing. Head till lip. We do fingers right here. Tilt the head. This is adota. Okay, tilt the head. Okay, then after that, up. Look, listen, and feel. Okay, your ear. Okay, 1,001, 2, 3, and 4. 1,000, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. How many seconds? 10 seconds. So, ganyan na. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Then your fingers right here. The pulse also be checked. The one which is near to you. This time, near to you. Okay, so you have to check right here. You put your fingers right here while you are tilting the head back. Okay, so ganito siya. Lagay mo yan dito, here, and then you have to listen and look at the chest. Listen, feel, look at the chest. Alright, 1,000 what?
4, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Okay, 1,010. 10 seconds lang siya. And then, there is no pulse, no breathing. So, straight away, what we're gonna do? CPR. Right, the CPR, you need to kneel onto the parallel. Kasi wala na tayo. Ano pa ako? Magluhod kayo, ha? Remember to kneel down. And then, lock your arms like this. The last time you already practiced that one, right, na? Okay? And then the center of your palm should be at the center of the chest. Okay, Alright? Okay. So, shall we count right now? In Singapore way. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,005. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,010. Okay, Let's go!
1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,010, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,015, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,020, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,025, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,030.
Yes, good. Now, let's get chili again. Again. Before yun, Yes. Alright. This time, pinch the nose. Ventilation 2 times. Remember? See? 30 is to 2. Do the compression now. Ventilation. Okay? Alright, let's go. Blow. Check. Check. Again. Second cycle. Go.
1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,010, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,015, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,020, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,025, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,025, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1003, 1004, 1030.
Okay, second ito Alright. Hanggang how many cycles?
5 cycles.
After 5 cycles, we are going to recheck the ABC again. Alright, ha? 10 seconds. Okay, go.
1, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2010.
Now I feel that there is already breathing. Okay, ha? And there is already a pulse. What does it mean?
Recover.
So itong tao na ito is already recovered. Okay, ha? So now, what we're gonna do? We're going to mag-i-assess na tayo, ha? We need to assess first. Okay, ha? Do.
Oh yeah,
Check
check.
the head. Check the head with other, there's a blood or any injury. Check the body. Okay, ha? And then check the leg. Okay? Alright, ha? Yes. You have to check the head,
Manananggal.
check the body, and check everything right there. Okay, If there is none, no leakage of any blood like that, okay? So meaning he is okay. And then you have to put in the
Recovery position.
recovery position. This arms right here is being on top, just like this. Okay, should be on top. See?
Other head.
So, we're not gonna do that one this time. Bago na tayo ngayon, kaya tapos na tayo sa COVID. Nagbago na lahat. Okay, So, this part right here, this arm cross onto the chest. Cross itong arm na ito dito, Cross. Okay, And then this leg should be over to the leg near to you. Okay, So, this part right here, you put this one, the arms right here, the arms is right here, and the legs on the other side, and then this hand should be on the shoulder, and this hand should be on the hips. And then put it towards you. So, diretso na yan siya. Nakaganito na yan siya agad. Okay? Because the arms is already on top. Okay, So, nakaganyan na yan siya. So, pwede mo pa rin siya here. Okay, now for the test dance. Philippine style. Blow, That is considered 1, 2, 3, 4. Blow. 2, 3, 4. Okay, So, kailangan mo blow. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. Blow. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. Blow. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. Blow.